If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, that is Sn is equal to 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is S1 is equal to question mark. What is the sum of first two terms? S2 is equal to question mark. What is the second term? That is A1. Second term is A2 is equal to question mark. Here S1 is nothing but A1. A1 is equal to S1. So we should find A1, A2, S2. Similarly, find the third, that is A3, A10, 10th term, and the nth term, An is equal to, we should find all these three terms. So first we will be calculating using this formula. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So n is equal to 1. S1 is equal to 4 into 1 in minus 1 square. So is equal to 4 minus 1. S1 is equal to 3. S1 is equal to 3. Here S1 is equal to A1. If you take n is equal to 2, in Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So it will be equal to S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So S2 is equal to, for 2 is 8 minus 4. So S2 is equal to 4. So we will be getting, this one will be equal to A2. No, A1 plus A2, S2. So if we want A2, means A2 plus A1 is equal to 4. So A1 is, A2 plus A1 is 3 is equal to 4. So A2 is equal to 4 minus 3. So A2 is equal to 1. A2 is equal to 1. And then let us try to calculate D. The D is calculated by A2 minus A1. So D is equal to, what is A2? A2 is 1 minus A1 is 3. D is equal to minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. Now we have calculated A1, A2 and D. Now we will be calculating A10, A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, A plus 2D. So A3 is equal to, what is A? A is 3 plus 2 into D. D is minus 2. So 3 minus 4. So A3 is equal to minus 1. A3 is equal to minus 1. Now let me calculate A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. So A10 is equal to, what is A? A is equal to 3 plus 9 into minus 2. So A10 is equal to 3 minus 18. A10 is equal to minus 15. A10 is equal to minus 15. Now let me calculate AN. AN is equal to, there is a formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to, what is the value of A? A is equal to 3 plus N is N minus 1 into D is minus 2. So AN is equal to 3 minus 2 into N minus 1. So 3 minus 2N, minus into minus is plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2N is AN. So we have calculated all the things what has all been asked in this problem. What is the sum of first two terms? First two terms is S2. What is the second term? That is second term from A2 is equal to 1. Similarly, we have found a third term A3 and the 10th term, that is this one, and the nth term is been calculated. So this completes the problem. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So here we should write the AP which is divisible by 6. So the first number which is divisible by 6 is 6, and the multiple of 6 is 6 2s are 12, so this is 12, 18, likewise up to first pause, as we have to calculate the sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6 means 40 terms up to 40 terms. So here A is equal to 6 and D, it is the multiple, as the numbers are all terms are all multiples of 6, so we can write it is 6. So n is equal to 40, total number of terms. So Sn is equal to sum of 40 terms means Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here S40, n is 40, so n40 is equal to 40 by 2 into a is 6 plus 40 minus 1 into d is once again 6. So S40 is equal to 20, 6 2s are 12 plus 39 into 6. 40 minus 1 is 39 into 6. S40 is equal to 20, 12 plus 39 into 6. 9 6 are 54, 6 3 is 18, 23, 234. So S40 is equal to 20 into 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 1 4, 246. So when is multiplied with 40, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 to the 4, 0 as it is. So S40 is 4920. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So we should take the multiples of 8, 16, 24, etc. up to 15 terms. So A is 8, D is also 8, N is equal to 15. As in the previous problem, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is equal to 15 by 2, 2 into 8 plus n is 15 minus 1 into d. D is again 8 here. So is equal to 15 by 2 bracket 2 8 is 16 plus 14 into 8 is equal to 15 by 2, 16 plus 2, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 is equal to 15 by 2, 128, 1s are 6, 4s. So S15 is equal to 64 into 15. 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30, 32, 64, 0 6 9, 960. This completes our problem. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Here the first odd number after 0 is 1, and the next immediate is the 3, the next immediate is the 5. Likewise here the last number is 50, but the next immediate smaller odd number is 49. So A is equal to 1 and the D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is D is equal to 3 minus 1, D is equal to 2. So the last odd number is 49. What we can guess, that can be considered as AN. Let us now first find how many odd numbers are there in there in this arithmetic progression. So how to calculate means by using the nth term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to here 49 and a is 1 plus n is we want to calculate and the d is 2. 49 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So 48 is equal to n minus 1 and by cross multiplication we will get by 2, 48 by 2. So 24 is equal to n minus 1. 24 plus 1 is equal to n. So 25 is equal to n. So we can say there are 25 odd numbers. So to calculate the sum of 25 terms of this odd number AP, we can use Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L, that is the last term formula, sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n is 25 and 2 by 2, A first term is 1 and the last term is 49. So we will be getting Sn is equal to 25 by 2 into 50. 49 plus 1 is 50. 1s are 25s. So Sn is equal to 25 into 25. So we can straightly write Sn is equal to 625 is the sum of AP. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain day as follows. Here, rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work for 30 days. Here, we can consider rupees 200 A. Rupees 200 for the first day, that is A is equal to 200 and rupees 50 being more than for the preceding day. That means D difference is 50 and here 30 days the penalty we have to calculate for the penalty for N is equal to 30 days. So the formula here is sum of n terms, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n is equal to 30 by 2, 2 into a is 200 plus n is once again 30 minus 1 into d is 50. So is equal to 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50. Here 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50 is 5 9s are 45, 5 is a 10, 14 and this 0 as it is. 1450 is equal to 15 into 1850. So 1850 into 15 is equal to 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 1s are 5, 9 plus 0, 5, 8, 1. So 0, 5, 17, 1 carry 2. So the penalty what he has to pay is 27,750. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performances. If each prize is rupees 200 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prize. So here sum of rupees, that is total amount is Sn is equal to 700. Total prize, number of prizes is 7. N is equal to 7. And then the difference what has been given is If each price is rupees 20 less means minus 20. So let us calculate the price amounts. That is, we want to calculate here A. So that Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 700 is equal to n is 7 by 2. 2 we want to calculate a plus n is 7 minus 1 into d is minus 20. So here 7 by 2 remains as it is 700. 2a plus 6 into minus 20. So ones are hundreds are 7 ones are some hundreds are 100 into 2 is equal to 2a minus 6 2s are 12, so 120. So 200, when this minus 120 shifts to the left hand side, it becomes plus 120 is equal to 2a. So 320 is equal to 2a. So 320 by 2 is equal to a. So what is a means? A is equal to 160. We calculated this one. So let us calculate the first price, second price, third price, fourth price, fifth price and sixth price and the seventh price. So first one is A, the second one is A plus 2D, third one is A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D. So A is 160. So A plus 1D, this one is 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. So first one is A is 160, 160 plus of minus 20. So here 160 plus of 2 into minus 20. So is equal to 160 plus of 3 into minus 20. So here 160 plus of 4 into minus 20. So 160 plus of 5 into minus 20 is equal to 160 plus of 6 into minus 20. So it will be equals to here 160. 160 minus 20 is 140. Here 160 minus 40 is 120. Likewise minus 20 means 100. Here 80. Here 60. Here 40. The sum of all these prices will be equal to 700. So here it completes this problem.